The design of cars also evolves with society. In light of this, the automotive sector has drastically changed over the past 10 years as automakers step up to the plate to produce automobile models for every consumer's lifestyle. Technology will have the main influence on how cars are designed in the future. The future's vehicles will be electric, driverless, networked, and svelte according to major trends. Vehicles on the road today might not even resemble those in a few years. The vehicle is going through a transformative period right now. We can look back on a century of gasoline-powered, hand-operated automobiles, but the route forward is propelled by driverless electric vehicles. The vehicle that spans this divide, however, lies somewhere between today and tomorrow, and its spirit may be seen in the concept of automobiles, TED Talks, and patent applications of the present. So in the video today, we'll be covering what one needs to know about the high-tech future of car design that leads ahead. Automotive technology is significantly changing the automobile, from alternative fuel engines to self-driving cars. And automotive design is following suit. It affects every feature of an automobile, including the exterior's design, where and how lighting is used, and the interior's appearance and atmosphere. The wheels, doors, and seats of cars in the future won't change, but it's possible that their appearance and functionality won't be anything like those of cars from the previous 50 years. The design is evolving for a variety of reasons. Automakers are compelled to adapt their designs frequently to satisfy changing trends and consumers' erratic desires. Designers are simultaneously luring automobile customers with cutting-edge appearance while accommodating new technologies like digital displays and rear-view cameras. Finally, stricter safety requirements and higher fuel efficiency criteria are forcing automakers to redesign vehicles to make them safer and more fuel efficient. The consumer and society at large will gain in a number of ways from the cars of the future. Less pollution, more safety, connectivity, and convenience will all be made possible by a few key advancements in automotive design. Here is a sneak preview of the technology that will power future automobiles. So, the 6 trends that you absolutely need to know are: Number 6. Regenerative braking. The act of stopping thousands of pounds of motion by braking uses a lot of kinetic energy. Engineers have previously devised techniques for collecting this kinetic energy and storing it for later use. Regenerative braking is a technique that has long been employed in various autos, pedal-assisted bicycles, and trains. Only a small number of electric vehicles employ this currently, including all Tesla models, but it has not yet been widely adopted. Regenerative braking is a function that Link is built with since its designers think it'll be standard in electric cars by the year 2020. Number 5. Exterior camera, sensor array. Software alone cannot power driverless cars. The car's computer requires a variety of outside cameras and sensors to supply it with the data it needs for automatic driving. Such technical advancements are far from science fiction. They're currently being planned for and constructed into upcoming automobiles to be ready for upcoming computerized systems. This tendency is also present in the 2015 Cadillac ATS Coupe, which was previously discussed. The Mercedes-Benz S550 and the ATS Coupe, for example, both include a complex array of cameras and sensors that give the driver road awareness and even some autonomous driving capabilities. A Link has a variety of cameras positioned in the grille, side mirrors, and the rear end to record data about the road from every angle in order to be compatible with developing driverless software. Number 4. High efficiency. Aggressive headlights. An excellent sports car design will have sharp headlights. Some companies, including Audi, have linked this tendency to a focus on high output, effective lighting technology. These characteristics are shared by Link, who has a brash pair of headlights made of high-efficiency LEDs that produce as much light as they do attitude. Traditional headlights can use a lot of gasoline for long trips. However, lights like these use less electricity while still delivering enough light for safe nighttime driving. Number 3. Panoramic roof. Panoramic roofs. Roofs with extended sunroof panels, or roofs with windows that extend to the roofline, have been common features in recent concept automobile designs. As you can see in the preliminary concept up top, we experimented with the notion of giving Link panoramic roofing. Such a roofline would not be conceivable with current consumer options due to the considerable safety risks it would pose from rollover crashes and other impacts. However, glass technology has advanced considerably in recent years. Glass and high-impact polymers have been developed to withstand frequent use, shocks, and collisions without breaking under the strain, particularly in response to demands from mobile phones and tablet computers. Modern glass technology will be used on Link's panoramic roof to provide greater visual access above the passenger cabin. The doors and a central column that extends into the middle provide support for it. Translucent supports shield the car in case of a rollover. It's built to withstand impact like any other body panel since it's shatterproof, much as Apple's newest iPad. Number 2. Broad, low, and lightweight. Manufacturers have been attempting to increase performance and efficiency recently by reducing curb weight to enhance power-to-weight ratios. Others have concentrated on longer, broader, and lower body forms to increase interior space, visual appeal, and aerodynamics. We focused on all three when creating Link, giving it a broad, low, and light body for functionality, comfort, and efficiency. The low ride height, broad shape, and emphasis on lightweight construction all contribute to an increase in the power and efficiency of the drivetrain. The broad shape also increases inside space. These focal points are not new. Rather, they're a part of a developing trend in car design. When we visited our colleagues at Cadillac at the Detroit Auto Show for the unveiling of the 2015 Cadillac ATS Coupe, they underlined how longer, lower, leaner was their design theme. We avoided making the design too long for urban drivers who parallel park, but the issue at hand is one that is frequently addressed by forward-thinking automakers. Number 1. Plug-in electric, diesel hybrid. Engineers are still attempting to find a solution to a problem with fully electric vehicles. Battery capacity and charge times keep drivers inside a constrained driving range. Although some solutions are being developed, they are still quite a few technology generations away. In 2020, it's unlikely that a broadly applicable, cost-effective solution will be available, but long-distance drivers do have access to a huge network of diesel fuel pumps. The plug-in electric drivetrain of Link provides 300-plus miles of range per charge, while the turbo diesel drivetrain enables high-efficiency driving on longer excursions. The 2020 vehicle generation will have a larger battery capacity thanks to manufacturers like Tesla, who have made their patents available to other automakers. Diesel has been promoted as a high-efficiency fuel for motorway travel by automakers including BMW, Mercedes, Audi, and others. For instance, the BMW 328D gets roughly 45 mpg on the highway on average, and we anticipate this number to rise as engine technology and fuel quality advance until 2020. A brand new idea just unveiled by Volvo and Subaru for the next automobiles is a plug-in electric and turbo diesel hybrid combination, offering an electric option for local driving and a reliable diesel backup for longer travels. It's practical and environmentally friendly. By 2020, improvements in algal biodiesel and other cutting-edge alternative fuels may make diesel driving the best choice for automobiles with older internal combustion engines. Although the majority of drivers wouldn't need the diesel backup, Link drivers can feel secure knowing that the fuel that they use in those situations is more pure and effective than 88-octane gasoline. The vehicles we see on the road today might soon resemble props from science fiction movies, making driving a pleasure rather than a chore. We may anticipate a bright future for the automotive sector with new technological advancements that prioritize passenger convenience and safety. Make sure to arm yourself with the right auto insurance to safeguard both you and your vehicle, regardless of your preference for future car designs. From high-tech dashboards to autonomous driving, this sums up the video today. You can also take a look at our playlist to find more of such interesting videos. Thank you for watching.